Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lusi Fatmawati. I'm from A class. In this video, I will answer the assessment from Mr. Refai. It's about talking animals. Okay, number 1. Do you agree that animals or some animals are able to communicate verbally or physically to their some species? Yeah. Besides human, animals can also communicate with their fellow species. This is stated in the journal Philosophical Transaction of the Royal Society, Biological Sciences. Study involving several institutes in Europe with many examples of animal communication with fellow species. And number 2, how do they communicate each other? There are African elephants that communicate with noise, naked mole, rats, chattering in soft voice, and lacking fireflies that turn off the light to mate. In the study, researchers found animals have a time lag to be able to meet their interlocutors. Unlike humans, the time they need is different depending on the species. For example, some species of songbird have a lag time to talk about their opponents for about 50 million seconds. The time interval for receiving information from penyanyi bird is relatively fast because there are some species which have a longer time intervals. For example, a sperm whale that takes 2 seconds to respond to the interlocutor. When compared with humans, our time lag to cattle to other people cat is around 200 milliseconds. And number 3, do you ever witness yourself an animal talk or communicate to human before this? Tell me more. I once watched a parrot like a human. At the time he spoke the word, the name Joko, or often Assalamualaikum, and sometimes he whistled when a woman walked in front of him, as if he was seducing the woman. And cats, indeed, cats cannot get out a word like parrots do, but if we talk to them, he responds to what I'm talking about. Another livestock such as hen and dogs, when I called it ri 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 ri, they seem to know the meaning of the word, which means here come, let's eat. And number 4, do you agree with the theory of evolution which say that humans were apples? Give me some of your reason. Okay, the theory of evolution which say that humans are apples is the theory put forward by Charles Robert Darwin. I disagree about this theory because it is very contrary to the theory of creation that man was originally created by the Creator, not the result of evolution from apples. Although apples are primates, are similar to humans, but it does not mean humans are distinct from apples. If the theory is correct, apples should automatically be gone because everything has evolved into humans. The theory cannot be justified because until now there has not been an accurate explanation of this matter. Besides, according to Dr. Hamdan, result of recent research in the field of molecular biology have come to the assertion that Siti Hawa is the ancestor of modern humans, namely humans, the first female sex on Earth. Therefore, I do not agree with the theory of evolution. And the last question, do you think when animals or some animals can talk or communicate to humans, then they are on the same levels as humans, or rather animals will behave like humans? Okay. After I observe and think about this question, I think even such animals can communicate, talk, and even behave like humans. They still don't have the same level and position as human. Why? Because actually animals do not have the mind and the mind, whereas humans have it. That is the privilege that God gives to human. Okay, thank you. I think enough, and last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.